Okay, going into round 2, we are going for a Palafin lead again. Getting that zero. The reason I go for Palafin lead, I don't always do it, but just having that option to fall back on 0 mode is such a life-saving situation potentially. We're going into round 2. Round 1 came to the wire, so we shall see how round 2 goes. Round 1 had me shaken. That was a good match. Such a dusty Switch. I really don't play this apart from for drafts. Alright, what are we leading? Okay, we're going to lead the Torkoal. We will just do the really obvious flip turn here. I did click flip turn rather than jet punch, didn't I? I hope so. Let's see what he does. Quite nerve-wracking. Okay. We can't go into a Bomber Snow comfortably. We're going to go into a Bomber Snow. Torkoal still exists. It is scary. I'm just going to Blizzard just because of that Air Balloon Salure Edge we've seen. Of course, the obvious play would be Torkoal Switch. Okay, Thunder Wave. Gonna go Earth Power. It's a risk. If it's Salure Edge he switches into, then it's immunity. If it's Torkoal, then yay. Torkoal. Made the right call. Of course, I'll probably be fully powered here, knowing my luck. Okay, no. Normally without speed a Torkoal, but I am powered. There's no real reason not to switch into... the double switch. Okay, Salure Edge. Salure Edge obviously being physical and very scary. We're just going to Draco here. Obviously, Surf is half damage in the sun. We actually don't have an easy switch in here. We'll go to Kamala. I do have Sucker Punch, obviously. He hasn't terrored yet. Well, I'm going for Earthquake in case he switches. It's a bit of a risk, obviously. He could also have Terror Flying. He's seen me use Earthquake. Okay, so he sacked his Voltorb, Electrode, who was one of the scarier mons of the last match. So that's good for me. Kamala racking up more kills on his little kill counter. Might have been expecting the Sucker Punch there. Is Kamala my kill leader now? It's very possible, you know. So obviously Intimidate, scary here. There's actually no easy switch in here. Yeah, he made the right call. I still have speed though. We're going to Spore. He might switch into Slew Edge, which is why I Spored. There's plans behind everything. Yep. I'm expecting Slew Edge. Of course, if this had been what do you call it? Hatterene, that would have been very scary. We're going to set up some snow. Of course, he does have the chance to wake up. Not if he switches. It's okay. We'll Blizzard here. Hope not to get fully powered. Oh, that's so unfortunate. Come on, this game. This is so annoying. What the heck? Okay, whatever, man. Grumble, grumble. Oh, that's fucking annoying. God damn it. Fucking powers. Man, I really don't have an easy switch on this. Frustrating. What did I put as his Terror type again? Fire, okay. We have double defense in the ice, so that's nice. Stealth Rocks, okay. So what we got left? We got Hatterene. We have Hatterene. We have good old Nut combo. So we have Thick Fat on this rather than Slush Rush, just to resist those fires even more. So Thick Fat and Fire combo, obviously in Sun, so Sun boosted, so it will just be a normal resist. I probably shouldn't have given it away. I totally forgot I would have outsped. Shouldn't have given my terror away. Grr, grumble, grumble. It's okay. Alright. We will just go for the Ice Spinner. It's Stab. Growth is kind of scary. We do still have the Thick Fat. So, neutral hit, obviously. Will Ice Shard kill? I'm going to do Ice Shard because if it doesn't kill, it's 2-hit KO anyway, right? It does kill. We will just Heavy Slam here. He might Terror. Has he Terrored yet? I can't even remember. My brain is confusing this much from the last. He was Terra Steel. He knows I have Earthquake. So what do you think? Is he going to Terra Steel? I think he is. I totally can't remember if he's Terra or not. So I might be making a bluff call. Go on, Eric. So I made the right call. I don't know how much damage this will do. Hopefully it should kill. Hatterene is scary. It's a scary one. So we wasted his Terror, so any last surprise is gone now. Thank God. Chopper Mango, who is asleep, so we should just be able to Earthquake here. GG Reno was really fun. That first game was absolutely terrifying. And that second game definitely had me scared because although I won 5-0, the chip on all my mons were getting a little bit scary. So GG and good luck in the rest of the draft.